I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Freshsales. Give here account URL and API token. So go to your Freshsales site and go to API setting. After Google verification, copy the API key and account URL and paste those in the integration. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a module. Select a account view. Select an account. Now, map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. So go to your Freshsales site and refresh the page. Here you can see the data came successfully in the Freshsales. Thanks for watching.